Hi guys, my name is Shaz and today I will tell you how to upload theme on your WordPress website. So first log in onto your WordPress, and when you will be on dashboard you have to go to appearance, and after that click on theme. Here you can see a button of upload. Click on it. After that you can see a lot of free themes are there. You can install anyone by clicking on install, but if you have your own theme you can upload it by clicking on upload, and after that you can see choose file, and I am choosing this file. So always remember you have to choose a zip file and click on install now. The theme will be uploaded. It will take some time. So when theme will be uploaded you just have to click on activate, as I have activated it already by clicking on activate. So now the next step is you have to begin installing all these plugins which we required according to theme. These are recommended plugins that will be used with the theme, so you have to always install required plugins. You can here by begin installing or begin activating, as I have already installed these plugins, so now I will check all and click on activate to activate them. So that's it, and now you just have to customize your theme. So now as you can see the theme has been uploaded successfully. I hope this one is easy method for you. You can also do that, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more videos and more SEO tips. Thank you.